Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, on yesterday's session, the Dow Jones closed at 306 points positive, Nasdaq closed at 191 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 37 points positive. At the time of recording, the US 30 is showing flat opening. And another very important thing is that whatever the US market lost 2 days before, close to 8 to 900 points, it has been recovered after the positive commentary from Donald Trump that he won't be taking any military action in Greenland, because of which the US market rallied and it covered and recovered all the lost point in US market. So very positive from US market. Let's talk about FII and DII data. On previous session, FII they sold close to 2,500 crores, yet another day of selling, and DII they bought close to 4,223 crores. Now at the time of recording, the SGX Nifty showing a flat opening. Let's see where the pre-market settles. And due to the positive sentiment from US market, Asian markets also rallied. So they all closed in positive. Another very worry situation is that India rupee, our rupee fell again. It is now at $91.43. So the value of Indian rupee are depreciating against dollar very fast. Now, very interesting, look at gold and silver. Yesterday, I'm sure by this time you would have heard the news that a lot of silver ETF has crashed. But today, the gold is at another giving non-stop rally upward direction. Now it is at 4,900, above $4,900. And I won't be surprised if it touches 5,000. Look at silver, now it is at $98. I won't be surprised if it's at $100, right? But yesterday, the panic that came in a lot of ETFs was mainly because of retail selling, I personally believe. So, this is the main thing in gold and silver. Now, let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday, yet even though we opened at 190 points gap up, but we couldn't sustain. For the first 10, 15, 1 hour, we sustained, but after that we fell. When the market broke day low, we constantly fell. But later half, in the second half, we recovered, right? So Nifty closed around 25,350. Now the support is 25,000 and the resistance now is 25,500. Now look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closing around 59,343. Support is 59,000 and the resistance is 59,500. So there is not much buying visible in market, even though all the sectors were in positive, but still the index is very volatile. So if you are an index trader, for me buying only is visible about 25,500, not anything below this levels. So for me, buy on dips will be only about 25,500. 25,500 is the key resistance levels in Nifty. Now in Bank Nifty, 59,500, even matter of fact 60,000 is the key resistance levels in Bank Nifty. Yesterday, almost all the sectors were doing good. Look at PSU banks. But another main thing that I want to make a very bold statement on sector name metals. Now, as we all know that metals have given sharp, very upward and very strong rally from the past 1 and 2 months, right? But I believe that this is a time to exit from metals, even from your portfolio or from your trading positions. I believe metals has made a top for short to medium term. I will not say long term, but short to medium term, metal has made the top. So for me, look at stocks like Hindalco, Vedanta. Look from exiting from these stocks if it's in your portfolio or in your trading positions. I believe that metals have made the top from short to medium term. So we can enter again from lower levels, but I'm not bearish on metals. I'm not also bullish on metals. So this is the one my take which I wanted to share with you. Rest is all your decision and you can take however you like. Now some corporate results from Nifty 50 stocks. Indigo, right? The talk of the town. The revenue is up by 6%, but net profit fell by 77.50%. It is now at 549.80 crores. We all know the disturbance that happened in Indigo, and because of which the net profit fell. So Today, the three Nifty 50 companies' results are coming: Cipla, JSW Steel, and Shriram Finance. We have to watch it very, very closely. Another thing, Bank of Japan interest rates will be out around 8 o'clock. So, let's see what will be their decision. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.